The number one stock I'm buying right now is it's about a $42 stock right now. And it's a company named Carnival Cruise Line. Ticker symbol is CCL on this one. This is a stock I'm mostly focused on buying right now. There's some other stocks I'm definitely buying right now, and there's obviously some huge positions I have. But Carnival is really intriguing because we're talking about a company that right now has a lot of negativity around it, not because they had forced negativity around it, but because of the coronavirus and all those sorts of things. So in the short term, there's all this negativity around the stock surrounding that will probably continue for the next 3 to 6 months. Meanwhile, I'm stepping in here and buying a great company for the long term. The travel industry is, obviously an industry that continues to expand. And when we're talking about the cruise industry, this is only about 2% of people go on vacation, go on a cruise, while cruises are usually much more affordable than land-based vacations. So I'm looking at cruises continuing to take market share in future years. Very, very low PE on this company, like under 10. I'm talking about a company that has over 100 ships in their fleet, massive, massive properties and it's a tough place to come in and compete with, because you're talking about, if you want to build the types of ships that are going to compete with a Carnival or some of their other competitors in the space, like a Royal Caribbean, or some of those, or, Norwegian cruise lines, you're going to need to spend $100 million, $1 billion plus on some of these cruise lines. So it's a very tough place to compete with. The dividend it throws off it's about a 4.5% yielder. We're talking about a payout ratio on this one of under 50%. So when I look at it right now, that's the number one stock I'm consistently buying right now, and I will likely consistently buy for the next, let's say, 3 to 6 months. I absolutely love that one. I think we'll make a lot of dividend money over the next 5-10 years on that one, and I think we'll also make some really good share price gains over the next 5 to 10 years. The next 3 to 6 months, it's rocky waters, no pun intended, but that's fine with me. I love to scoop up stocks when they're cheap. I'd much rather buy a great company when it's really cheap than a great company when they're at the maximum price. That's me. That's the way I've always done it. That's the way I always will do it, and that's one of the reasons why we can get the type of gains we can get.